and welcome back to our channel. After posting this many videos about the German Bratwurst, I have realized that you've got still a lot of questions regarding this particular German sausage. So I did prepare the list of the questions here on my phone, so I will be reading those and then answering them also straight away. Okay, so the first question is, how is the Bratwurst made? So the Bratwurst is usually made from different kinds of meat, put through the meat grinder, and then also for a finer consistency, the cutter or a mixer is used, and then the spices are added. But also ice that enables to use cutter for a longer period of time. Then this mixture that is called bread is filled into casings, and this is basically how the Bratwurst is made. The next question is, what are Bratwursts made from? So Bratwursts are made usually from pork, and usually different kind of pork meats are used, but also from veal, and I even found one that was made from beef, and it was called Rindsbratwurst. Popular ingredients of such a Bratwurst would be pork belly, but also pork shoulder or back fat. Those are mixed with different kind of spices, usually that's salt, pepper, majoran, caraway seeds, nutmeg or garlic. And usually also the processing aids are added. And hopefully the casing is usually made from the intestine. So the third question is, are Bratwursts already cooked? So there are two types of the German Bratwurst. You can buy fresh ones and you can buy Bratwurst, which is a parboiled sausage. So in other language, yes, you can buy them cooked, but not all of them are cooked. The next question is, can Bratwurst be boiled? So boiled in terms of that you put them in a hot water that is boiling. I wouldn't do that because the casing is so sensitive. This can actually destroy the whole sausage. If you buy fresh Bratwurst, I really wouldn't put it in any water. In my opinion, the best way to prepare it is actually to put it just straight on the grill or fry it in a pan. Next question, how to cook a German Bratwurst? So I would say that would be two traditional ways of preparing German Bratwurst. So one of them would be fried in the pan, like I showed in this video, and another one would be to grill it. Of course, there are also some people in Germany who are simmering the Bratwurst in water, milk or beer, but we wouldn't do it. How to serve a German Bratwurst? I think you should serve it definitely warm, with some potatoes. I would go for mashed potatoes or potato salad or even pan-fried potatoes. They go perfectly with it. Also, some people like serving Bratwurst with a sauerkraut and just a normal German bread that would be Mischbrot, which is a mixture of the wheat and rye bread. As a street food, you can have a German Bratwurst in a bread roll and some mustard. And if you are interested how else we do serve German Bratwurst, I did prepare a whole video about it. What is the best side dish for Bratwurst? I think that's definitely, without exception, a potato salad. Do we boil Bratwurst in beer like in Wisconsin? No. Do we serve Bratwurst in a bun with sauerkraut? No. Can Bratwurst be a little pink inside? No. If it's pink, that means it's raw, and this kind of meat you can't eat really raw. Don't get me wrong, we do eat raw pork in Germany, but not as a sausage. Can Bratwurst be cooked in the oven? I'm sure it can, but I wouldn't do it. Can Bratwurst be frozen? Yes, but you need to make sure that it wasn't frozen before. So I would freeze definitely a fresh Bratwurst, but also the Bratwurst, so the cooked ones. Can Bratwurst be microwaved? I mean, if you did prepare your Bratwurst on the grill or on the pan, I think a microwave, it's okay way to warm it up. But just to let you know, we are no microwave household, so I don't really know, but I can imagine that that's gonna work. Can Bratwurst be cooked in air fryer? What's wrong with you? I guess it can, but we wouldn't do it. Wow. How long will Bratwurst keep in the fridge? Yeah, so for the fresh Bratwurst, it's the best to eat it right away or just on the same day or the next day the latest. If the bratwurst has been parboiled and vacuumed, you can keep it in the fridge for 14 days. If you would like to freeze a fresh bratwurst, then I wouldn't freeze it for longer than 3 months. And the parboiled bratwurst, I wouldn't freeze for longer than 10 months. Can bratwurst be eaten when pregnant? If it's not pink inside, then it can. Are bratwursts healthy? Yes, so that depends on a lot of factors, what food is healthy for you. I think I cannot really answer this question. You need to answer this question yourself. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that now everything is clear to you and that I didn't offend anyone by answering those questions the way I did. It definitely wasn't my intent. If you would like to know some facts about the German bratwurst, I would like to encourage you to watch this video next. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you did enjoy this video. Stay safe and healthy, and I see you on my next one. Bye!